Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Here is a beautiful craft. Drawing is a rewarding and enriching process, and whatever you draw, and art, craft, painting, all things is a problem solving and an enriching process. It encourages you to really look at the world around you. It helps in visualizing ideas and expressing emotions, opening up a space for creative thought and exploration. The practice of drawing improves hand-eye coordination and precision. It can be meditative, reducing stress. You need materials like rounded shapes, balls, or whatever you say. An eraser is flexible and useful for lightening and shaping. A paper and a bottle. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Focus on drawing the outline of an object without lifting your pencil from the paper. This technique builds your observational skill, but if you can draw anything, create drawing with one continuous line without lifting your pencil. Start experimenting by drawing simple shapes. It is a skill that improves with practice. Start with simple exercises and over time challenge yourself with more complex subjects. Keep a sketchbook. Learning to draw and painting or whatever like art, craft is a journey that takes time and dedication. Thanks for watching this video.